Welcome to this session on Smart Development ASP.NET with the AI Tools and Tutorial Part 4. Build an Employee Management App. Hello everyone. Welcome back to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In today's video, I will show you how you can use AI tools, especially ChatGPT, to become more productive as a developer, teacher, and content creator. We will explore tools that help you code faster, plan YouTube videos, and even generate creative ideas for your tutorials. In 2025, AI is everywhere from coding assistants to content planners. Whether you are developing ASP.NET apps, creating video lessons, or researching new topics, AI tools can save hours of time and help you focus on creativity. As a developer, AI tools are your coding partners. GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT can help you write functions faster, generate code explanations, and even review pull requests. I personally use ChatGPT for debugging, rewriting legacy ASP.NET code, and generating test cases. When creating tutorials, AI tools make the process smoother. ChatGPT helps me script the content. Canva designs thumbnails and descriptive handles quick edits and subtitles. AI helps teachers and developers spend less time on formatting and more on creativity. Let us now focus on ChatGPT, the most versatile AI assistant available today. We will explore how to use it for writing code, planning videos, researching topics, and building your own AI driven projects inside ASP.NET. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a generative AI model designed to understand and create human like text. It is not just a chatbot, it's an intelligent assistant that can generate code, write documentation, draft YouTube scripts, and even brainstorm new project ideas. What makes ChatGPT powerful is how flexible it is. You can switch between developer mode, teacher mode, or content creator mode all in the same chat. It remembers context, writes in your tone, and learns your workflow over time. To get started, go to chat.openai.com or install the official ChatGPT app from the Play Store or App Store. You can use it for free with the GPT 3.5 or upgrade to GPT 5 for better reasoning, memory, and file uploads. As an ASP.NET developer, ChatGPT can be your daily companion. You can paste error messages, ask for performance improvements, or generate full CRUD operations. It even helps you write cleaner, faster link queries and understand existing code logic. For example, paste your ASP.NET controller method into ChatGPT and ask it to explain what it does or how to improve it. You will often get suggestions like adding async calls, pagination, or proper error handling, all improving code quality instantly. When planning a YouTube tutorial, ChatGPT is like your creative partner. Just share your topic, for example, ASP.NET MVC routing, and it can generate a title, slide outline, and even sample generation. That is how I prepare many of my YouTube videos efficiently. Give ChatGPT structured prompts like this one, and it will produce detailed logical scripts. Then you can tweak the wording and record your audio confidently. It saves time while improving quality. To get the best result, treat ChatGPT like a team member. Give clear step by step instructions, ask for examples, and keep refining the answers. When you get a great prompt, save it. It is like building your personal AI toolkit. If you are teaching or learning, ChatGPT become a study partner. It can summarize documentation, explain code samples, and even generate quiz questions for your students, making teaching easier and interactive. While ChatGPT does a lot, combining it with the other AI tools multiplies your productivity. Capilot speeds up your code, Perplexity gives reliable sources, Canva helps with the visuals, and Descriptive makes editing seamless. This is my complete AI powered workflow. ChatGPT helps me think, script, and debug. Then I polish the presentation and use other tools to finalize and upload. AI truly streamlines my teaching and development. AI is an incredible helper, but not a replacement for your own expertise. Always verify AI outputs, especially in production code, and use AI to enhance your creativity, not replace it. My personal focus this year is to deepen my ChatGPT use, automating tasks, improving my project documentation, and using it to plan new content. The more you use it, the smarter and faster your workflow becomes. Thank you for watching this deep dive on ChatGPT and other AI tools. I hope you are inspired to integrate AI into your development and teaching journey. Try ChatGPT this week, explore its capabilities, and see how much time it saves you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials from ASP NET and SQL Academy.